Good morning, everybody. Today I am heading out to go look at a leaky chimney pipe on a two-story building. Gonna go see what's going on with that, see if we can't fix it today. Hopefully we can get that taken care of for them so they don't have any major issues. Hopefully nothing serious has already happened. After that, then we're gonna skip over and install a few light fixtures for a gal, and that's about it for today. Most of the other things I have to do are just office work and organizing tools and all that fun stuff, so it's gonna be kind of a short day. It's starting to warm up, which is super nice. Anyways, yeah, let's go climb up on that roof and see what's going on. Oh yeah. Wow. Okay, now I can kind of see in here. Take this down. Ladders look straight up and down. Okay, so what we're gonna do is tarp it off with some heavy mill plastic through the roof, tape, so that no water's getting in there. And then I'm gonna have to order a new pipe, I believe, for them. So that's what we're gonna do temporarily. We'll see if we can get the part that we need, and then we'll come back out and put it back together. That's the plan. Through the roof, seals everything that goes through the roof, sticks to wet surfaces. This stuff is excellent. Tape, plastic, cleaning stuff, good to go. Let's go. Oh, dang it. Sliced me right open. Work smarter. Bleeding. Ah. I want this to be big fat bead, so nothing's coming in. Ah, just get blood on everything. Oh dear. The water's gonna come down along here. It's not ever gonna get up in here. I'm not too concerned about that. But I don't want it blowing all around either, blowing off. So I am gonna just gonna seal it up a bit as well. I don't know if this is what you guys would do, but this is what I'm doing. And when I come back, if this is full of water, we'll know that that didn't do what it was supposed to. Let's hope that doesn't happen. This is just kind of extra taping this off. It's gonna keep it from blowing off in the wind, hopefully. All right, so we weren't able to fix it. They need a new stovepipe. and hopefully I'll be able to get one. I know that it's tough to get some materials. I live in a small area too. There might be some businesses that carry what I need. Either way, we got it patched up so that it's not going to leak. And you know, I brought the trailer today because I keep most of my tools in there. Sometimes I like to throw what I think I'll need for a job into the truck so I don't have to haul the trailer. But days like today, it's really good that I brought the trailer so I have everything, because I wouldn't have brought plastic. I've been keeping my caulking tubes and whatever else will freeze either in my garage, or if it's not going to be cold out, I'll keep it in the truck. But having that through the roof, you know, came in super handy. So yeah, sometimes it pays off to bring everything, even if you don't think you'll need it. You know, you pay more in gas hauling a trailer around or whatever, but at the same time, it's worth it to me to be able to get the job done right and spend a little more money. I mean, you're gonna be billing the client anyways, but in this case, got the trailer, had everything we needed. It's patched up, shouldn't leak until we can get back out there, and we'll get it fixed up right. I didn't want to jimmy rig it. So the client, it's excellent clients, very understandable, very happy just to have me even come out and help them with this situation. So yeah, turned out really well for today. Try to get back over there as soon as we can so they don't have any more leaking issues. So we're gonna head over to the other place, put up some light fixtures, and hopefully if all goes well and that's it, we'll call it a day. So I will see you there soon. Okay, we're here to install some lights. The lights that she wants me to install are actually lights that I got from another client that I gave to her because she was looking for just some different light fixtures. So this is going to be the main light in 2 different guest bedrooms. So let's get started with the first one here. Give that to me, pup. Make sure if you do a light like this, that both of your wires are going in on the same side. Otherwise, this wire will twist around and drive you. Looks good. Looks good. Okay guys, that wraps it up for today. It's supposed to be a short day, maybe, I don't know, 4 hours, maybe less, but seemed like today was just one of those days where nothing really went quite right. Was missing some parts to install the light fixtures. Went to the hardware store. My camera wasn't recording when I was trying to get it to record. So I don't know if any of that footage is there, but yeah, I was trying to find some base plates and just some other things I needed to attach those used fixtures. And then after I got back, I found them on the floor in the closet, so good thing we had them, but I had to go back to the hardware store again, get the right size lamp nipple to be able to screw it in. And so, all that being said, probably wasted at least an hour of time today. So even though I'm, considering maybe 2 hours of work with having to run at least once to the hardware store to get parts, regardless of getting the wrong ones the first time. Still 4 hours of chargeable work, but I've been going for, I don't know, 6 hours or so. So that's on me, but sometimes that just happens. Anyway, wraps it up for today. It's a good day, headed home. And if you like the video, if you want to see more content, like, subscribe. I'm gonna have a lot more videos coming out. So I'd love to hear your comments and chat with you there. Till then, I will see you next time.